morning, children. Today, previous day, I have interact between you on the topic of the sentence, subject and predicate. But today, I am going to express among you the kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences according to their meaning. First, declarative oblique assertive sentences. Second, interrogative sentences. Third, imperative sentences. And next, exclamatory sentences. Here, I am telling you the kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences according to their meaning. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. First of all, I am going to describe one by one according to the proper order. I am describing you in the other way also. Sentences First of all, declarative sentence tell us, state something. It states something. Ask question. Imperative sentence describe, request, instruct, order, advise. Exclamative sentence explain, strong feeling. Here is given a chart. यहां पर बच्चों मैं आप लोग को ये बता रहा हूं कि सेंटेंस के 4 भेद होते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस, सेकेंड इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस and exclamatory. Declarative sentence states something. A statement gives a statements. Interrogative sentence asks questions, and imperative sentence tells request, order, command, and instruction. Exclamatory sentence expressed strong feelings. Then I am going to explain in details also. Assertive sentence, it tells us something. Something. Example. He went to Ranchi. Sita is reading a book. In this sentence is called declarative sentence, either assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is two kinds. First of all, affirmative, and second, negative. Assertive sentence is two kinds. First, affirmative sentence. Second, negative sentence. In affirmative it states something, it says something. But negative sentence is asked nothing, denying. That, for example, he went to Patna. It is affirmative sentence. But he did not went to Patna. It is called negative sentence. Affirmative sentence is in positive manner. Example: he eats rice. Negative sentence: he does not eat rice. It is easy to find out negative sentence and affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence states in a positive manner, but negative sentence is adding the not. Not is so signal the negative sentence. It is a way to find out the affirmative and negative sentence. Next, I hope you confirm to recognize the negative and affirmative sentence. Second, sentences. In interrogative, sentences ask something as a question. Example: did you take your meal? Second, when did you study? In the interrogative sentence tell us something or ask questions. In these two examples, did you take your meal? The answer is yes or no. In the first example, the answer in a yes, either no. in the second example, answer in a other words sentence. Question. Homework I am giving you, and you try to solve it, and please send me the answers also. Question number 1. Question. Ensemble the following to form declarative sentences. First, good essential. Good essential for rains. For rains. A harvest hour. A harvest hour. Second, much as so they give an important erosion. Treat role. Resisting play. Next, cannot to feed food. Cannot to feed food. We ourselves. We ourselves produce. Next, the of take environment. Environment care. In the sentences, first word is underlined. Rains, trees, trees, we, take. In these sentences, first word is underlined. In these sentences, first word is underlined. It gives us first in a sentence. Change the following sentences into interrogative sentence. Into interrogative sentences. First, I can speak Hindi and Telugu. Yes? No. Second, reading is my favorite pastime. Reading is my favorite pastime. WH question. इस WH question means which, what, when, where लगाकर इसको इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना है। और इसमें यस या नो, जिसका आंसर यस या नो में आए वैसा आपको इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस इसको फॉर्म करके बनाना है। और इसमें WH मतलब कि व्हाट, वेयर, व्हेन इत्यादि लगाकर इसका इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना है। यहाँ पर का असर्टिव सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है और इसको इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट करना है। यही होमवर्क मैं दे रहा हूं इन्हें। थर्ड, राइस इज द स्टेपल फूड। राइस इज द staple food. Staple diet. Staple diet of many Indians. Of many Indians. WH question. WH question. My father likes to watch news. Likes to watch news on TV. Yes, no. Yes, no. Question. Next, Konark. Konark is famous. Konark is famous for its sun temple. For its sun temple. WH question. WH question. I have given you homework. First, unjumbled words given in the assertive sentence, but first word of the sentence is given and underlined. Please arrange the words in a proper order and form the assertive sentence. Next, in the interrogative sentence, I have given you the assertive sentence, but you have to change into interrogative form. Interrogative form. Now, perhaps you have understood which I have expressed among you about the sentences. I am going to repeat against in a simple manner. सेंटेंस 4 प्रकार के होते हैं. My dear student, please list which I have taught you. सेंटेंस 4 प्रकार के होते हैं. फर्स्ट डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस, उसी को असर्टिव सेंटेंस भी कहा जाता है. डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस इज दैट सेंटेंस which states something, जो कुछ कहता है उसके को हम कहते हैं assertive sentence in a simple manner. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस उस सेंटेंस को कहते हैं जिस सेंटेंस से हमें यह पता चलता है कि इसमें कुछ पूछा जा रहा है, आस्क समथिंग, जिसमें कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है, उस सेंटेंस को हम इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं. ठीक. एग्जाम्पल, When are you going? What is your name? Did you eat? These are the example of interrogative sentence. क्या तुमने खाया, क्या तुमने पढ़ा, इत्यादि. डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस, मैं खा चुका हूं, मैं पढ़ रहा हूं, ये डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस, इंस्ट्रक्ट, order, command, open the window, request, please pass me the salt, and advise, take medicine on time. These are the imperative sentences. Exclamative sentence shows the strong feeling. She died. How beautiful scene is it? Exclamative sentence. But here I have taught it only for 2 sentences. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence. Declarative sentence is into two parts. Affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Affirmative sentence shows the simple statement, but negative sentence tells us is the negative answers. Example, he went to Patna. It is positive. Affirmative sentence. Negative sentence, he did not eat. He has not do this work, etc. यहाँ पर मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल के अनुसार होमवर्क आपको 2 सेंटेंस का भी दे दिया हूँ. 5 सेंटेंसेस, 6 सेंटेंसेस है. इसको मैं आपसे आशा करता हूँ. आई होप यू मस्ट सॉल्व माई क्वेश्चंस एंड सेंड मी ऑन दिस योर आंसर प्लीज.